We're back at it. So, a little bit of a break. The heat got to me a little bit, so I went home and rested for a little bit. I'm back.
And I played with Cougar.
And he played with that beautiful thing.
I played with the Cougar.
Well, you are young enough to be having cougars chase after you, but you're just old enough for them to go, well, you know, hey.
Hey, if there's any Cougars watching, I want some young sugar in their life. You know?
There you go. And you heard it live here.
I'm kidding.
So, we have our new gasket on. Old members out, new members getting ready to go in. This one's probably going to be a short one, and I'll set you guys up on a live view so you can actually watch us work and struggle. Go figure, it's the little guys that get stuck picking up the heavy stuff. So, we'll get this done, get this taken care of, and we'll show you guys a video of it going in as we're doing it. So, we have our posi additive. We've got our fluid for the differential. New U-joint holders. And new nuts for the differential. So, we're going all out. It's getting pretty stuff. Yes, sir, All right, we're back. What do we say?
What?